Assalamualaikum, welcome back to my channel. I'm Cami. I'm a blogger and a pro makeup artist. So today I'm here to share my very first subscription box with you guys. The box is right here, as you can see, which is like simple black box. The box was thrown away by the custom officer over here in Pakistan. I'm very disappointed by that because मेरा बॉक्स ही फेंक दिया और साथ में उसके जो कार्ड था जिसमें सारी डिटेल्स थी वो सारा का सारा उन्होंने फेंक दिया। ज़ाहिर है मुझे बहुत अफसोस हुआ। दैट्स वाई मैंने एक प्लेन ब्लैक बॉक्स के अंदर फ़िलहाल वो सामान रख दिया है। एंड मज़े की बात है कि मैंने अब तक आप लोगों को नाम नहीं बताया। एक्चुअली आई एम गोइंग टू रिव्यू माई Boxy Charm June 2018 box. Obviously now we are in August and I got the box quite late. The box is from the month of June मगर ये मुझे रिसीव हुआ जुलाई के मिड तक, तो इसलिए भी खासा लेट हो गई ये वीडियो। and I was very busy in the month of July, so I couldn't record my video earlier. ये बॉक्स सच में ऐसे के ऐसे ही पड़ा रहा, बस मैंने इसमें से थोड़ी सी चीज़ें ट्राई की थी क्योंकि ज़ाहिर है जब आपके पास इतनी अच्छी चीज़ें हो तो you can't control yourself. What had happened, I saw some sneak peeks on their Instagram post which made me intrigued to buy the box, and luckily I came across with a girl who is offering 4,000 for this box, which is not bad. 2600 का तो वैसे ही ये PKR में पड़ रहा था और यकीनन she paid the shipping and custom charges as well, and I paid 1,400 more for this box. Not actually 14, it's 1,600 because of the delivery charges she charged. I will also link their page down below. मैंने बहुत से pages पे देखा है कि they offer like crazy amount for this box, which is actually for $21, 2,606 rupees in PKR. They offers like 4,500, 5,000. Sometimes what they do, they buy the box and then they sell all the products individually in real cost. Maybe possible कि आप लोगों को ये बॉक्स किसी न किसी पेज पे मिल जाए, क्योंकि अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि बहुत सारे ऑनलाइन पेजेस जो हैं Boxy Charm ऑर्डर करते हैं और फिर बाद में उसको सेल आउट करते हैं. Be a smart buyer and always do research before purchasing anything online, because ऑनलाइन आपको एक चीज़ अच्छी और सस्ती भी मिल सकती है और दूसरी तरफ आपको एक चीज़ ओरिजिनल तो होगी मगर प्राइसिंग के हिसाब से आपको बहुत महंगी भी पड़ सकती है. Always do research. This is the key to shop online. Yes, it's true कि इस बॉक्स में प्रोडक्ट्स जो होते हैं वो 10,000 की प्राइस वैल्यू से अबव होते हैं. So ये बॉक्स मेरे नज़दीक तो काफ़ी वैल्यूएबल है अगर कि प्रोडक्ट्स इसमें आपकी मर्ज़ी के मुताबिक हों. So let's see if it's worth $21 and 4,000 PKR including shipping and custom rates. So here are the items you can see. First thing is this brush set. I got 3 brushes from the brand Luxie. One is Luxie 522 tapered highlighter brush. This is for highlighting. It has nice pointed head. Another brush is this Luxie 660 precision foundation brush. So in my opinion, I think it's might be good for blush and contour. And the next is this Luxie 516 duo fiber powder brush. I'm so happy for this bundle, and now let's review the price. This 3-piece Luxie complexion brush sets retail for $42, and $42 in PKR is 3,212 rupees, which is insane. These are quality brushes. I'm so happy. This is actually more than I paid for this box. The next item is this. Okay, these are Battington lashes. You can see. And this retails for $28. $28 means 3,474 rupees. The third item is this palette, which is by Alomar Cosmetics. This is the item which I saw in their sneak peek and I got crazy. This is the Reina del Caribe. I don't know how to pronounce, but this is the volume 1. So let's have a look inside. You can see I've already swatched these. I couldn't resist myself by trying these colors out. Third one. And this one. They are highly pigmented shades. So this is the reason why I bought this box. This palette retailed for $28, which is 3,474 rupees. तो मुझे पता था कि इसकी कॉस्ट मुझे 4,000 या उससे अबव पड़ेगी अगर मैं सिंगल ये पैलेट खरीदती हूँ तो. And then what happened? I saw their sneak peeks और मुझे पता चला कि जून बॉक्स में ये पैलेट लाजमी होगी. एक प्रोडक्ट के साथ मुझे इतने सारे बोनस आइटम्स मिले तो मेरा स्मार्ट मूव and buy a whole box instead of getting a single palette for the same price value. Which deal is better, a single palette or a box with bonus items? So the fourth item is this guy. It is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. It is very famous body cream. Recently introduced this travel size jar of this Bum Bum cream. This smells like heaven. It smells so delicious. I don't know how to explain, but really this is so good. It has 25 ml of the product. This travel size jar retails for $10, which is 1,241 rupees. So the next item in here is this pencil, this Jonte blue eyeliner pencil in the shade charcoal. And simple eyeliner pencil. It's not a jet black, it has grayish tone. So it retails for $5, which is 620 rupees in PKR. The last item is this, and this is a lippy Oprah liquid lipstick in the shade Verona, which is their new shade. This one I have used once and the shade is so pretty. This is the color. Lipsticks are really good. They are highly pigmented. This is the shade called Verona, a very cool toned brown. I'm really happy to see Oprah in my box. This retailed for $21, which is 2,606 rupees in PKR. Here is the calculated amount, which is 16,627 rupees in PKR. I just paid 4,000 rupees for the box. That's minus 4,000, and I got extra products for 12,627 rupees. I'm so happy with this one's box. It's really good. I'm not saying कि हर month ही अच्छे box होते हैं. No, I'm saying कि just follow them and look for the sneak peeks they upload. And जब आपको लगे कि yes, this is the box for me, मुझे ये लेना चाहिए, तो just go for it. It is really good. Go and find a right online page to place your order for the box. That's complete this video. I hope you enjoy my unboxing. So here are all the items I got in the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for $21, 4,000 rupees in PKR, including shipping and customs charges. Don't forget to subscribe, like and thumbs up the video. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.